This video will cover replacing a Koni race, double adjustable insert, and a ground control strut housing. Unfortunately, I blew up the strut after about 2 seasons of autocross. Make sure to watch my video on installing these struts when they were new. The first step is to remove the locking nut. Remove the insert. Apply some grease to the rubber O-ring. These are the Koni double adjustable versions for road racing and autocross. I use 1 full turn of rebound and 3 clicks of compression. Install the new Koni insert. Apply a little bit of Loctite on the threads, then tighten down the locking nut. Install the foam bumper, and that's it. Quick and easy. Man, these dampeners were completely blown up. For those interested, this is a shock dyno plot of the Koni Race 8611-1259 double adjustable insert. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram.